In 2026, Wera continues to redefine professional hand tools with innovation, durability, and precision engineering. From advanced torque systems to compact multi-function drivers, these tools are built for serious technicians, electricians, and mechanics. In this video, we explore the newest and most powerful Wera tools that every professional should have in their toolkit this year. The Wera 20 RAR is a compact ratcheting screwdriver system designed for professionals who need speed, precision, and reliability in tight working environments. Its integrated ratchet mechanism allows smooth directional switching without removing the tool from the fastener, improving workflow efficiency. The ergonomic Kraftform handle is engineered for comfort and high torque transfer, reducing hand fatigue during long working sessions. Built from high-strength steel, the tool ensures long-lasting durability even under heavy industrial use. The compact design makes it ideal for electrical panels, machinery maintenance, and automotive repair tasks where space is limited. With interchangeable bits and a smart storage system, the 20 RAR delivers versatility and convenience in a single professional-grade tool. The Wera Joker 6004 VDE is a self-adjusting insulated wrench designed for electricians working in high-risk environments. It automatically adapts to various bolt sizes, eliminating the need for multiple tools and increasing efficiency. The VDE insulation provides certified protection for live electrical work, ensuring maximum safety. Its intelligent gripping mechanism prevents slipping and reduces damage to fasteners, improving precision during tightening operations. The slim profile allows access to narrow and hard-to-reach spaces where standard wrenches cannot operate. Constructed from premium-grade materials, it offers excellent durability and long service life. This tool is especially useful for industrial electricians, maintenance engineers, and HVAC professionals who require both safety and versatility in one advanced solution. The Wera Click Torque lock wrenches are precision-engineered tools designed for controlled torque applications in professional environments. They feature a secure locking system that prevents accidental adjustments, ensuring accurate torque settings throughout operation. The audible click feedback clearly indicates when the preset torque value is reached, preventing over-tightening and potential damage to components. These wrenches are widely used in automotive repair, aerospace engineering, and industrial assembly where precision is critical. The ergonomic handle design provides comfort and stability during extended use, reducing operator fatigue. Made from high-quality steel, they deliver long-term durability and consistent performance under demanding conditions. For professionals who require accuracy, reliability, and safety, this torque wrench system is an essential part of any advanced toolkit. The Wera Safe Torque Speed Series 7500 VDE is a high-performance insulated torque screwdriver designed for professional electricians. It combines speed, precision, and safety in one advanced tool. The integrated slip mechanism ensures that the tool automatically disengages once the preset torque is reached, preventing over-tightening and protecting sensitive components. Its VDE certification guarantees safe operation in live electrical environments. The rapid adjustment feature allows users to switch torque settings quickly, improving workflow efficiency on job sites. The ergonomic Kraftform handle provides excellent grip and reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. Built with durable materials, this tool is ideal for panel builders, service technicians, and industrial electricians who require consistent accuracy and maximum safety in electrical installations. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE-17 is a versatile insulated tool set designed for electricians who need portability and flexibility. It includes multiple interchangeable blades stored in a compact handle system, making it highly efficient for field work. Each component is VDE certified, ensuring protection when working on live electrical systems. The ergonomic Kraftform handle delivers excellent torque transfer while reducing hand strain during long tasks. Its compact and lightweight design allows easy storage in tool bags or pockets, making it ideal for mobile technicians. The quick change blade system enables fast transitions between different screw types, improving productivity on site. This set is perfect for professionals who demand safety, efficiency, and versatility in one compact solution. The Wera Ball Grip Set 1 and 2 is designed for enhanced control and accessibility in professional fastening tasks. Its ball end design allows users to work at angled positions, making it ideal for tight or obstructed spaces. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Made from high-strength steel, these tools offer excellent durability and resistance to wear. The color-coded system helps users quickly identify sizes, improving workflow efficiency in busy work environments. This set is perfect for automotive repair, mechanical assembly, and industrial maintenance. It provides a perfect balance of strength, comfort, and flexibility, making it an essential tool set for professionals who require precision and reliability in daily operations. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt Stubby is a compact screwdriver designed specifically for confined working spaces. Its short body allows maximum control where standard screwdrivers cannot reach, making it ideal for electrical panels and machinery maintenance. Despite its small size, it delivers strong torque performance thanks to the ergonomic Kraftform handle design. The integrated bit storage system adds convenience, allowing users to carry multiple bits within the tool itself. Built with durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance even under heavy professional use. This tool is especially useful for electricians, HVAC technicians, and mechanics who frequently work in tight environments. Its compact design, combined with high performance, makes it a must-have tool for professionals who value efficiency and portability. The Wera 9530 torque wrench set is engineered for precision applications in HVAC systems, heat pumps, and climate control installations. It ensures accurate torque application, preventing damage to sensitive components and maintaining system integrity. The adjustable torque settings allow technicians to adapt quickly to different specifications. Built from premium-grade materials, it offers excellent durability and consistent performance in demanding environments. The ergonomic handle design provides comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use. This tool is essential for refrigeration technicians, HVAC installers, and mechanical engineers who require high accuracy in torque-sensitive applications. Its reliability and precision make it a trusted choice for professional installations and maintenance work. The Wera Belt B VDE-1 is a professional tool belt system designed for electricians who require quick access to insulated tools. Each tool in the set is VDE certified, ensuring safe operation in live electrical environments. The belt system organizes tools efficiently, improving workflow speed and reducing downtime on job sites. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfort during long working hours. The durable construction allows it to withstand harsh industrial conditions. This system is ideal for field electricians, maintenance technicians, and service professionals who need mobility and safety combined. It enhances productivity by keeping essential tools within easy reach at all times. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE Big Pack 1 is a complete professional toolkit designed for electricians working in complex environments. It includes multiple insulated blades and ergonomic handles, all VDE certified for maximum safety. The compact storage case ensures easy transport and organization, making it ideal for mobile professionals. The Kraftform handle provides excellent grip and torque transfer, reducing fatigue during long tasks. Quick change blade technology allows users to switch tools efficiently, improving productivity on site. This set is perfect for industrial electricians, maintenance engineers, and technicians who require a reliable and versatile tool system for daily use in high-voltage environments. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 400 RA Set 1 is a ratcheting screwdriver system designed for HVAC and plumbing professionals. It features a smooth ratchet mechanism that allows continuous fastening without repositioning, improving efficiency in repetitive tasks. The ergonomic Kraftform handle ensures excellent grip and torque transfer, reducing strain during extended use. Its integrated bit storage system provides quick access to multiple bits, making it highly versatile on job sites. Built with durable materials, it guarantees long-lasting performance under professional conditions. This tool is ideal for heating, ventilation, and plumbing technicians who need speed, precision, and convenience in one compact system. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE 7 is a compact insulated screwdriver set designed for electrical professionals. It includes multiple interchangeable blades stored in a lightweight handle system, ensuring portability and convenience. Each component is VDE certified for safe use in live electrical environments. The ergonomic Kraftform handle provides excellent torque transfer while minimizing hand fatigue during prolonged tasks. Its quick change mechanism allows fast switching between different screw types, improving workflow efficiency. This tool is perfect for electricians, service technicians, and maintenance professionals who require safety, flexibility, and performance in one compact system for daily electrical work. The Wera Kraftform 100 is a versatile screwdriver set designed for professional use across multiple industries. It features interchangeable bits stored within a compact handle, making it highly portable and efficient. The ergonomic Kraftform design ensures excellent grip and torque transfer, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Its durable construction guarantees long-term reliability even under heavy-duty conditions. The quick change bit system allows users to switch tasks rapidly, improving productivity on site. This tool is ideal for mechanics, electricians, and maintenance professionals who require flexibility and convenience in a single compact system. The Wera Joker 6006 is a self-adjusting double open-ended wrench designed for maximum efficiency and versatility. It automatically adapts to different bolt sizes, eliminating the need for multiple tools. Its advanced gripping mechanism ensures a secure hold without slipping or damaging fasteners. Its slim design allows access to tight spaces where traditional wrenches cannot reach. Built from high-quality steel, it offers exceptional durability and long service life. This tool is widely used in automotive, industrial, and mechanical applications where speed and precision are essential. It combines innovation, strength, and convenience in one professional-grade wrench system. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 900 is a high-performance screwdriver system designed for demanding professional applications. It features a strong ratcheting mechanism that allows continuous fastening without repositioning the tool. The ergonomic Kraftform handle ensures excellent grip and torque transfer, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its modular design allows compatibility with multiple bits, making it highly versatile. Built with durable materials, it guarantees long-lasting performance in industrial environments. This tool is ideal for mechanics, technicians, and engineers who require efficiency, strength, and reliability in one compact system for daily professional tasks. The Wera Tool Rebel Pistol Set is a unique ergonomic screwdriver system designed for maximum control and power. Its pistol-style handle allows natural wrist positioning, reducing strain during heavy fastening tasks. The ratcheting mechanism ensures smooth and efficient operation without constant repositioning. Built with high-quality materials, it provides excellent durability and torque performance. The compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces and overhead work. This tool is widely used in automotive repair, industrial maintenance, and mechanical assembly. It combines innovation, comfort, and performance in one professional-grade system designed for demanding users. The Wera SafeTorque A1 is a precision torque screwdriver designed for controlled fastening in professional applications. It features an integrated slip mechanism that prevents over-tightening once the preset torque is reached. This ensures accuracy and protects delicate components from damage. The ergonomic handle provides excellent grip and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Built from durable materials, it guarantees long-term reliability under industrial conditions. This tool is especially useful for electronics, mechanical assembly, and maintenance work where precision is critical. It delivers safety, accuracy, and efficiency in one professional compact tool. These new Wera tools in 2026 show how innovation can completely transform professional work. Whether you are an electrician, mechanic, or technician, each tool is designed to improve speed, safety, and precision. If you enjoyed this breakdown, stay tuned for more powerful tool reviews and upgrades that can change the way you work every day.